Hi guys, welcome to Knitwell Motorhomes. I'm Mia and today I want to show you this 2020 plate VW T28 short wheelbase Highline conversion. Before I go into any detail, let's just appreciate how great this van looks with the two-tone blue and white design. This was built by Alan Kerr Motorhomes during the COVID lockdown. It has 4 berths and 5 travel seats and it has covered just over 31,000 miles. Right, now let's go take a look around. First of all, we have these huge alloy wheels which just look great. This van also has front and rear sensors. Now here we also have your electric hookup point, which is just down there, and a tow bar here. In the boot, we've got where your gas bottle goes and more storage just in there. Right, let's go and take a look in the cab. In the cab, we have USB-C points, cab air conditioning, a digital media centre, and a great thing which is handy for really long journeys is cruise control. And we can't forget the 2 big cup holders for your Costa. The upholstery features black fabric on the 2 rear seats and black leather on the 3 front seats. It's nice that the 2 rear seats are fabric instead of leather like the front ones, since these seats fold out into a bed and the fabric will be a lot more comfier and warmer than the leather. You wouldn't buy a leather bed, would you? Also, forgot to mention, if you pull this handle, you can recline the seats and make them even more comfortable. The table is stored just here, and as you can see, it connects to the rail and can move along the bar depending where you want it, creating a really nice space for relaxing or dining. Just imagine sitting here in the middle of summer with a slide open door and a drink in hand. Am I selling it to you yet? Because I'm selling it to myself. These seats also convert into a double bed. All you need to do is just pull this handle below. So if you pull the bar until you get about 3/4 of the way and then just push down in the middle, and there you have it, your huge double bed. The pop-top roof is really easy to put up and makes a super comfy double bed. Right, going into your kitchen, we have a 2 gas burner hob here, your tap and sink just there. Just underneath we have your heating control panel and your compressor fridge. Also, another great thing about this kitchen is how much storage you have. So you've got those 2 cupboards here, a cupboard down here, and your water, which is just in there. And just on the side of your kitchen, we have your extra plug socket here, control panel, which has your 12-volt and USB charger, and more storage under there. The beauty of this van is that it's your everyday vehicle as well as your motorhome. It's not the big white box that sits on your driveway doing nothing for months on end. You can genuinely take this van pretty much anywhere and you can get into all the places that the large motorhomes wouldn't even dream of going. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, but if you haven't, don't blame me. Blame Dan, because it was clearly his editing skills, not my performance. Bye!